How to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone? Well, if certain photos and videos are missing on your iPhone, then first what you want to do is open up the Photos app, scroll down and head over to the hidden section. So you can see hidden here. You want to tap on hidden and you want to tap on view album and go to the fix verification and check if it has been hidden by mistake. Or you can also check the recently deleted tabs by tapping on recently deleted, and you can check your recently deleted album to see if it has been recently deleted by mistake as well. However, if that's not the issue, then what you want to do is you want to verify that your iCloud photos and other cloud backup settings in the settings app. So you can head into settings, you can head into your username there, from there head into iCloud and head into photos and check the syncing here. And you can enable the syncing, and if you have enabled it, you can check it out on your iCloud storage as well. As a last resort, you can try restarting your iPhone or restoring from an iTunes or cloud backup. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.